Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
If the distance of planet Mercury from the Sun is 0.3871 of the distance between the Earth and the Sun, find the maximum elongation of Mercury. So how did you do this one? Let me first check the answer. Exercise 6. The answers are given at the back of the book. कितना है आंसर? Answer should be 22.8 degrees. Exercise 6. Anybody got 22.8? No?
Yes, sir.
Who got? What's your name?
Sir, Shefron Hashmi.
Pardon?
Shefron Hashmi, sir.
Okay. Anybody else got 22.8? Can you people quickly do this for me now? All of you take out your notebooks, pen. Let's do this calculation now. Because you will have to do so many trigonometric functions calculations in this course, so might as well get on to it. What does the question say? If the distance between the Sun and Mercury is 0.3871 of the distance between the Sun and the Earth, what is the maximum elongation of Mercury? We have to find this angle. Am I right? Have I understood the question correctly? Any other opinion? We have to find the maximum elongation of Mercury. So by the geometry, the circular path of Mercury, the radius of that circle will intersect the tangent to the circle at a right angle. So this angle is 90 degrees. Now, this one we know. You are supposed to remember this 93 million miles distance from Sun to the Earth. This one is given to us, and this is what we have to find out. So what is the big deal?
So sin theta.
Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to? Who got the answer? Just dictate to me. I will do the question on the board. Sin theta is equal to?
Theta equals to SM upon SC.
SM upon SE. आगे?
SM is 0.387 into
0.387 into 93 into 10 to the power 6 upon?
SC 93 into 10
SE
to the
you
power 6.
already know 93 into 10 to the power 6. तो कट गया ना, एक सेकंड में तो हो गया. What is the big deal in this? थीटा निकालो, sin inverse 0.3871. Take out your calculators.
22.77.
22.77. So answer is equal to 22.8 degrees. That is the maximum elongation of Mercury. Everyone got this answer now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See,
सर
don't get
मैक्सिमम एलोंगेशन जो वर्ड है उसका मतलब क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
एलोंगेशन मतलब ये एंगल है ना, ये वाला जब कंजंक्शन में होता है, इफ मर्करी वुड हैव बीन हियर, इफ मर्करी वुड हैव बीन हियर और हियर, तब एंगल 0 है, एक लाइन में है, तो इट इज गेटिंग एलोंगेटेड. एलोंगेटेड मतलब उससे दूर जा रहा है. इफ यू वांट टू नो द एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड, डिक्शनरी में देखना पड़ेगा, बट द पॉइंट इज,
हाँ जी सर.
इसके बाद if there is a background screen over here, the celestial sphere, तुमको मरकरी कहाँ दिखेगा? तुमको मरकरी यहाँ दिखेगा ना, ठीक है. नाउ अगेन व्हेन मरकरी इज कमिंग इनसाइड, इस सर्कल के बाद तो इधर आ जाएगा, देन इट इज विजिबल हियर. जैसे अभी वीनस के केस में करेंगे हम लोग, अभी इधर आ जाएगा तो तुमको यहाँ दिखेगा, यहाँ पर. सो दिस एंगल इज ओनली अगेन व्हेन इट कम्स हियर, मे बी दिस इज द मैक्सिमम एलोंगेशन ऑफ मरकरी. इसके बाद क्या होगा, जब मरकरी इधर आ जाएगा तो अगेन तुमको अंदर में दिखेगा ना. Yesterday I was trying to explain for the Venus. So
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
it remains between this, like a pendulum it will swing. So that is the maximum elongation. Angle of swing बोल लो, जैसे तुमको समझ आएगा वैसे. बट एक डिफरेंस क्या समझने का, here we are assuming the earth to be stationary. अभी हम अर्थ को हिला नहीं रहे ताकि हम ज्योमेट्री को समझ सकें आसान से. बट एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है, द होल थिंग इज ऑल्सो मूविंग बिकॉज द अर्थ इज ऑल्सो मूविंग. आई विल शो यू ए वीडियो टुडे, जब वीनस का दिखाऊंगा, उसमें वीनस और मरकुरी साथ में घूम रहे हैं. सो यू विल हैव अ वेरी क्लियर आइडिया. सो दैट वीडियो विल क्लियर 2-3 क्वेश्चंस व्हिच यू हैव इन योर माइंड. ठीक है. सो एवरीवन इज क्लियर विद दिस, देन शैल आई मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Also remember what I have told you on the first day also. Whatever I am teaching, एक बार जरूर पढ़ लो घर में जाके, घर में ही हो आप लोग. और जो टॉपिक मैं अगले क्लास के लिए बोल के आता हूँ, जस्ट हैव अ क्विक ग्लांस, जस्ट रीड थ्रू इट एंड बिफोर यू कम. सो या कॉन्सेप्ट, शुरू से कॉन्सेप्ट को अगर पकड़ लोगे ना सेलेस्टियल नेविगेशन में, यू विल नेवर गो रॉन्ग, बिकॉज फेज 1 में भी करना है. और फेज 1 में काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आते हैं सेलेस्टियल स्फीयर के ऊपर, एंड 3 डायमेंशनल पूरा सोचना पड़ता है. फेज 1 के नेविगेशन में काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन हैं. सो द सूनर यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सेलेस्टियल थ्योरीज एंड ऑल, द बेटर इट विल बी फॉर यू. शुरू से पकड़ के रखो उसको, बाद में कवर नहीं होता है फिर. देन देयर आर सो मेनी सब्जेक्ट, सो मेनी टॉपिक्स टू कवर, तो उस समय आदमी फिर उलझ जाता है. सो ठीक है, वी विल रिमूव दिस वन. डोंट गेट इंटिमिडेटेड बाय दिस बिग फिगर्स, नो, वो मोस्टली कट ही जाते हैं आपस में सारे, फाइनली जाके कुछ रहता नहीं उसमें. In this book also, the one which I am using, Joseph Rewadi, इसमें भी there are questions given after every topic, every chapter. Some are easy, some are difficult. Then there are some general questions given, 40 questions. I will show you some page towards the end only. Those also very interesting and intelligent questions. If you can do some of those also, it will be very nice. So let's come to the topic of today. The first topic, Venus as a morning and evening star. Venus as a morning and evening star. Venus is a planet, but उसको इस तरीके से बोल देते हैं, बहुत नज़दीक है अर्थ के. तो जैसे मून के फेजेस होते हैं, आधा मून दिखता है, कभी पूरा मून दिखता है. इफ यू लुक वेरी क्लोजली एट वीनस, मे बी थ्रू अ वेरी पावरफुल बाइनोकुलर और टेलीस्कोप, यू कैन सी द फेजेस ऑल्सो. वो भी आई विल डिस्कस विद यू टुडे, आई विल शो यू. सो वी लूजली कॉल इट अ मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग स्टार, इवन दो इट इज नॉट. The other day I gave you a small brief on it, because Venus is not visible throughout the night. There are so many stars, we can see them throughout the night for many hours. Venus we can see only in the morning and only in the evening during twilight times, so deeper into the night we don't see. So we will examine the theory, the science behind this, why it happens so. So there is the sun over here. There is the path of Venus. And there is Earth over here. There is Earth over here. Let me just have a look at the diagram to see whether I have drawn correct or not. Now I have to draw some lines, so I hope I'm able to get it clear. I think it is okay. Can you all see the diagram clearly, the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, once again, we are assuming that the Earth is stationary. And Venus, being an inferior planet, it is always in front of us. The red is the sun. So I have marked Earth dark, half hemisphere, because that is the area which is having night. And the area which is the hemisphere which is facing the sun is having day. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Correct. One thing. Now we are trying to figure out why Venus is only visible during the morning and evening. When Venus is at V1, we say it is in conjunction with the sun. Am I right? They are in one line. The GHA will be the same. They are said to be in conjunction. So, if Venus is visible at that time, then Venus will rise with the sun and set with the sun. That concept you will understand in a few minutes, what I'm meaning by that one. Let us say after a few days, a few weeks, after a few weeks, Venus has moved to V2. It will move, it is quite possible. Am I right? Yes or no? Since I'm saying Earth is stationary and Venus is moving around the sun, she will move to V2, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is called the western elongation of Venus. Western elongation. This part is a little tricky. I will try as much to explain to you. This position of Venus is known as western elongation. Why it is known as western elongation, I will explain in a moment. Western elongation. Why it is known as western elongation? You have studied and you know what is the geographical position of the Earth? Geographical position of a heavenly body on the Earth. You know that one, GP? You must have studied in the when you
Yes,
did the
yes.
Earth.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
GP?
sir.
Can you define anyone quickly?
So it is projection of heavenly bodies as per latitude and longitude of the Earth
On the surface of the Earth.
on the surface of the Earth.
Very good. So, how is the Earth rotating? She is rotating from the top when you see in an anti-clockwise direction, west to east. Correct? You can see the full board, no?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
So Earth is rotating like this. Okay. Now, if I plot the geographical position of V2, the line joining the center of the body to the center of the Earth, where it cuts the Earth's surface, that is the GP. So I'll just put a dot, I will not complicate the diagram. This is the GP of Venus. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I draw a line from the center of the body to the center of the Earth, wherever it cuts the Earth, enters the Earth, that is called the geographical position. It is denoted by latitude, longitude here. Above it is different. We will talk that later. Now, what is the GP of the Sun? So if I draw a vertical line from the center of the Sun to the center of the Earth, this is the GP of the Sun. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you tell me, as far as the GP is concerned, Venus lies to the west of Sun or to the east of Sun?
Please, sir.
Only GP. Consider the geographical position on the Earth now. Venus has landed onto the Earth. Venus is here. Sun has landed onto the Earth. Sun is here. The Earth is rotating like this from the top anti-clockwise. Is Venus to the west of Sun or east? Anyone? I will give you another small example. The Earth is rotating like this. Imagine the globe. The Earth is rotating from west to east in this direction. अगर इधर इंडिया है, सन वाले पॉइंट पे इंडिया है, तो इधर क्या होगा? अगर इस डॉट में सन वाले डॉट में इंडिया है, तो इधर कौन सा कंट्री होना चाहिए?
सर यूरोप या अफ्रीका?
वेरी
Sir,
गुड.
Africa.
So which direction is Europe?
सर वेस्ट.
West.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very intelligent batch I have got. I'm very happy. So if I'll put the geographical position of the Venus like this and Sun like this, Venus lies to the west of the Sun. That is why it is called the western elongation. So you have understood very quickly. I am very happy. Let us move on now. Anyone who has not understood, think, apply your mind. After the class, later on in the afternoon, evening, apply your mind, think about these things. The sooner you understand, the better it is. Now, there is an observer at night who's sleeping. There is an observer here. This is the observer, let us say. The earth is rotating west to east. He is sleeping. When he gets up in the morning here, जब सनराइज होता है उसका, मॉर्निंग होगा, ट्वाइलाइट, dawn. Earth is moving. What will he see first? Venus or the sun?
Venus, sir.
Venus.
Very good. So, to an observer on the earth in the morning, he will see Venus first, and then he will see the sun. Correct? After some time, when the sun has risen little higher in altitude, the sun will become very bright. When the sun becomes bright, then Venus is not visible. In the daytime, can you see anything on the heavenly body? Because the
No,
sun
sir.
is so bright, you don't see anything. Correct? Okay. So the observer, when the earth is rotating in the morning, he will first see the Venus. After some time, when the sun rises, Venus will not be seen. Same observer now in the afternoon, the earth is rotating. It is becoming evening now. Which body will set first? V2 or the sun?
V2, sir.
V2. Very good.
Sir, B2.
Because V2 rose first, V2 पहले दिखा, सन बाद में दिखा, तो ऑटोमेटिक है जब सनसेट होने वाला है उसके पहले V2 already set. Correct? So V2 has already set. So Venus is not visible in the evening because she is already set and gone, और sunset बाद में होता है. Any questions in this one, gentlemen? Anybody has any doubt? In this case, we have seen the earth is rotating. Venus is visible first. When the sun becomes bright, when the sun rises, Venus is no longer visible because of the brightness of the sun. And logically, naturally, earth is rotating, so Venus has already set first, but the sun is still visible. So since Venus has set, we don't see in the evening. In this case, Venus is visible only in the morning. So we call it a morning star during these months, whenever it is here. Now, which horizon do you see Venus as a morning star? Which horizon do you see? Eastern horizon or western horizon?
Sir, Eastern. Eastern, sir.
Horizon. Very
Eastern.
good, because the earth is rotating west to east, so all the bodies are rising in the east. All the heavenly bodies are rising in the east. You have to look towards the east direction. So during the western elongation of Venus, it is a morning star and it is visible only on the eastern horizon. These are the three conditions which you must remember. When Venus is a morning star, it is visible only in the mornings on the eastern horizon because it has got a western elongation. Okay, now Venus has turned and come to V3. After a few months, Venus has come to V3. Now let us see same observer what he sees first. He's sleeping in the night, earth is rotating. In the morning, what does he see first? The sun or V3?
Sun, sir.
Sun, sir.
He sees the sun first. So when he sees the sun first, the sun has become very bright. After some time, Venus 3 will rise. Will he be able to see Venus?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, he will not see Venus because the sun is already risen. Once the sun comes out, all the heavenly bodies go home. We don't see anything. Even if they are there in the sky, we don't see because the stars are there in the sky, even in the daytime. But we don't see because the sun is too bright. So when Venus is here, V3, the sun will be seen first in the morning. After that, Venus will rise, but Venus will not be visible. Okay. So in the evening, what will happen? Which body will set first? The sun or V3?
Sun.
Sun, sir. Sun.
Very good. So in the evening, the sun will set first, then it will become dark. So automatically V3 will be visible. So whenever Venus is at V3, it is visible only in the evenings. It is not visible in the morning because the sun is already there first. So the sun rises first. Venus is not seen in the morning. In the evening, the sun has already set first. So V3, Venus is visible. At this time, we call Venus is an evening star. And on which horizon will it be seen? Western or eastern?
Western, sir.
Western, sir.
Western. Western. Because we are seeing when the body is setting, the sun has already set, so that is in the west. So the other condition for Venus is it will be an evening star only seen in the western horizon when it has got an eastern elongation. Now how this is eastern elongation also we will see. If I draw a line from the center of Venus to the center of the earth, it will intersect here. This is the GP of V3. You can see V3 lies to the east of the sun. So we call it western elongation. If this is India, this may be Singapore or some other country. The earth is rotating like this. So this becomes easterly elongation. So if you have understood this part, it is very good. Slightly difficult topic. I can show you a video on this Venus. Venus and Mercury are rotating around the sun.
सर वीनस
Yeah.
जैसे आज मॉर्निंग में दिखाई दिया तो कल शाम में इवनिंग में दिखाई देगा ना सर?
कल नहीं, कल यहाँ थोड़ी पहुंच जाएगा, वो तो यहीं रहेगा कुछ महीनों तक।
ओके सर,
कुछ हफ्तों तक। तो जब मॉर्निंग दिख रहा है तो रोज मॉर्निंग में ही दिखेगा।
ओके, यस सर, यस।
जब आस्ते आस्ते जब इधर आ जाएगा, क्योंकि देखो इसको भी कितने दिन लग रहे हैं, हाँ वो चार्ट में कितना, हाउ मेनी डेज इट वाज रिटन, 241 डेज। उस दिन कोई बोला था, हाँ 241 डेज नो, तो कम से कम 4 महीने के बाद तो इधर आएगा, देन ओनली यू विल सी। इन बिटवीन यहाँ पर नहीं दिखेगा, बिकॉज सन बहुत ब्राइट है ना, सन किस लाइन में है, तो डेक्लिनेशन पे डिपेंड करेगा, दिख भी सकता है समटाइम्स, बट डेक्लिनेशन नहीं सेट होगा तो नहीं दिखेगा। ऑल द हेवनली बॉडीज आर मूविंग टुगेदर ना, सो इट्स क्वाइट अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस हाउ दे मूव। सो आर यू रेडी टू सी द वीडियो टू गेट अ लिटिल मोर क्लैरिटी?
यस सर।
The video will not explain exactly the way I have explained or the way it is there in the book. It is a combination of some other things also. So, okay, let me start the video. Can you see the video screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear the audio also? There is not much talking in this video. I saw 2-3 videos, but this one was better, I thought, for your understanding. You will have to read what is written. There's not much talking over here. So the inner planets Mercury and Venus orbiting the sun within the Earth's path around the central luminary of the solar system have been known from ancient times. Some things may be irrelevant, but try to relate to your topics as much as you can. So you can see the sun in the center, Earth is rotating. Venus and Mercury. All the planets of the solar system orbit the sun in an anti-clockwise direction as viewed from above the Earth's north pole. Most planets also rotate on their axis in an anti-clockwise direction, but Venus rotates clockwise once every 243 Earth days. So I think somebody was asking yesterday, no, why the Venus rotation is unknown. Was that the question? So Venus is rotating in the opposite direction. So clockwise, not revolution, rotation. 243 Earth days. Notice the day and the night and the phases of the planets. See here, Earth, this is day, this is night. Mercury, see the phase of Mercury, visible as a crescent. Few seconds back, there was a phase of the Venus. See this one on the left. The Venus is also having phases like the moon. The whole planet is not illuminated. Venus orbits the Sun at an average distance of whatever and completes an orbit every 224.65 days. This we already saw yesterday. Now you see the elongation over here of Venus. The inner path is Mercury, the second path is Venus, and there is one line from the Earth to the Sun, the other line from Earth to Venus. All directions, angles are measured from the centers of the bodies. So see elongation, it will go maximum up to 47 degrees. Now see over here. Maximum elongation 47 degrees. What elongation is this? Eastern or western elongation?
Western elongation.
Western or eastern? Can you see India on top? That green one? India or America? America. America? No, it looks like India. This is Japan. This is the Pacific Ocean coming. Down below maybe Australia. Or is it South America? Whatever it is, this is easterly elongation. Oh, yes or no? Let us see the other side. Maybe the Earth is visible better over there. Oh, sorry, here it's written down below. Greatest eastern elongation. Down below is written. I think this is the Asian continent. You can see Japan also over there. I think it is that one. Easterly elongation. Let's move on. Here you can see greatest western elongation. Once again, the sun is pointing towards the Asian continent. I think that point is India. And here this side is Africa. You can see on top Saudi Arabia and that Gulf. So this is westerly elongation. Is it clear now? Any doubt? Clear, all of you? Venus overtakes Earth every 584 days, that it orbits the Sun. As it does so, it changes from the evening star visible after the sunset to the morning star. Were you able to figure out during that revolution the diagram which I made about being morning and evening star, because the Earth was also rotating? If you want, I can show you that again. That concept is not explained here, but probably if you look at the diagram, you can understand. You see, now we are looking from the top. If you look at the Earth, she is rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. So an observer who's on the darkest side, when the Earth rotates, you will see that he will see the Sun first and then Mercury. That means this is not visible in the morning, it is visible only in the evening. And she is going towards On the top right, you can see the phase of the Venus also. Half of it is visible. But if you notice I will just keep the video on for a few seconds more, then I will switch it off. If you notice the rotation now, and if you see on the darker side, if the observer gets up in the morning, he will first see the sun and then he will see the Venus. So this is eastern elongation. That means in this position, Venus is a what star, morning or evening?
Morning.
Evening star, sir. Evening star.
How morning? Because the sun will rise first, so it has to be an evening. Eastern elongation, evening star. Western elongation, morning star. So just closely have a look and I will switch it off. At this point, Venus and Mercury are seen in the evening sky as evening star. So I think that's enough of the video. If you are more inquisitive, you can look around a little more. You people are very lucky. You have a lot of information on the net which you can search. So I will go on to the next topic. Anyone has any doubt on Venus as a morning and evening star? I will clarify now. Or we will go to the next topic, Earth Moon system. Any questions? No? Okay. So coming back to the blackboard, whiteboard rather, I will just draw a figure and I will try to show you something so that when I'm talking about it, probably you will understand better. You see, in any case, the movement of the bodies is very complicated because all the bodies are moving, they are rotating, they are revolving. Our solar system is also moving, revolving. And the further the body, the less complicated the movement. Like stars, we don't even see they are moving. But closer the body, more complicated, more movements. So the moon is a very, very complicated body. So you all can see the board now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us say this is the sun. This is the earth. And this is the moon. Can you all see the three planets, sun, moon and earth? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, they are all in one line. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, how will you know that the moon has gone around the earth one complete time? You must have heard of the lunar month. How many days it takes for the moon to go around? Have you heard the lunar month or no? Let me draw a little more magnified view over here. This is the moon. This is the earth. And this is the sun. Sun rays. What sort of a moon are you seeing as per this diagram?
New moon, sir.
Full
New
moon.
moon.
Full moon, sir.
On the earth, this
Full
part
moon,
is
sir.
night. On the earth, this part is
Full
night.
moon.
Huh? Full moon. Okay, let us forget that. Here, what is happening to the moon? Which part is illuminated? This part is dark. Yes or no? This part is dark, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So people on the earth, what are they seeing? New moon or full moon?
New moon, sir.
New moon, sir.
न्यू मून यानी अमावस की रात, हाँ? अंधेरा. They are seeing the new moon. And when the moon comes on this side, then what are they seeing?
Full moon, sir.
Full moon, sir.
Then they are seeing the full moon, Purnima. So now the moon is also going around the earth like this. And it comes back to the same position. The earth is rotating, revolving around the sun. The moon is rotating, revolving around the earth. And as a combination, both of them are revolving around the sun. Okay. This whole combination is rotating and revolving around the sun. So if I say one lunar month has passed, what will it mean?
Sir, 29 days.
New moon to new moon or full moon to full moon?
The new moon to new moon.
7.2.
Yeah, whatever you take, huh? New moon to new moon, full moon to full moon, 1 month, correct? Okay. So now we will see how long does it take for the moon to rotate and how do we mark the month and the days and all that. There are two periods for the moon's rotation. One is the sidereal period. And one is the synodic. Sidereal period is, I think, 27.33 days and synodic is 29 point some days, 2 days. You must know always that the sidereal periods are the correct periods of rotation. How? Let me explain to you. Now, if you look at this other diagram, here also we say this is the new moon. This one is rotating. And coming back here. Am I right? So we will say that 1 month has passed. One lunar month. New moon to new moon, 1 month has passed. Am I right or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want you to imagine some distances. This distance is 93 million miles. Sun to the earth, correct?
Yes, sir.
93 million miles. Now what is 93 million? Very small number. 93 million 100 million. 1000 million is 1 billion. Now imagine a point in space which is billions of miles away. Many light years. That is what the distance of the stars is, no? Am I right or no? The stars are many light years away.
Yes, sir.
We have not been able to reach them as yet. So billions of miles away, there is another point. Which remains. So if from that point, if I am seeing the solar system, how big will it look? The solar system will look like a dot. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whatever stars you are seeing, the stars are all basically suns belonging to those solar systems, maybe. So if you can only faintly see a star, whether any planets are moving around it or not, can you see them or does it make a difference to you? You can only see the star, no? Am I right? Similarly, our solar system will look like one point, one dot from so far away. So the point which I'm trying to make out is this distance is so far off the point which I'm saying that for them it doesn't matter whether our planets are moving or not moving at all. They just see our sun as one dot. Okay, so from that point, take that point as reference. Keep it in your mind. Now coming back to this, the moon has turned around once, new moon to new moon. We say one lunar month has elapsed. How many days have elapsed approximately? 28, 29 days you said? Correct?
29 days, sir.
29 days. That is approximately 1 month? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Approximately 1 month.
Yes, sir.
The Earth is revolving around the Sun in how many months? 12 months. Right? 4 months she will be here. 3 months she will be here. 6 months she will be here. 9 months she will be here. 12 months she will be here. So if the moon has taken 1 month to go around the Earth once, the Earth is not stationary where it is. The Earth has moved here. The Earth has come here in 1 month's time. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
While the moon is revolving around the Earth, in
Sir,
1 month's time, the Earth has moved here. You gotta tell me,
sir, can we continue after break?
what is the time now? 10 o'clock ho gaya? Yeah, okay, we can go for a short break. Keep this picture and thought in your mind. When we come back, we will discuss.
Thank you, sir.